Girl, after having locks for almost 3 years, it's time to give our hair a little TLC. It's time to do a little deep cleaning on our locks. Let's go. So the product that I'm going to be using is the Paul Mitchell Shampoo 2. So hey girl, hey, I'm back, okay? And it's time to do a deep cleaning on our hair. Not just shampoo and condition, but a deep clean, okay? Y'all, I never really knew how much buildup I had in my hair until I would shampoo and condition my hair. And I said, why does it still look like it's dirty, even though I just washed it? Girl, build up. You see that? You see all that gunk? And that nastiness, girl, we about to get that out, okay? My head is itching, so you know it's about that time to wash our hair. So let's get into doing a deep cleaning on this hair, okay, girl? All right. So girl, I didn't know the first thing about deep cleaning or removing buildup from locks, girl, okay? But when God brings you somebody that know what they doing, okay, girl, you listen. So one of my cousins, Jamila, girl, hey, girl, she's a licensed cosmetologist and a licensed cosmetology teacher. I think that's how you say it, girl. And I asked her what is the product that she loves to use when it comes to removing buildup from locks. And she said the product that she would recommend for removing buildup is the Paul Mitchell Shampoo 2. And I was just like, okay, girl, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, girl. She gave clear instructions. She says that you want to squeeze the shampoo into the water. I cannot remember if she said to put it in warm water, but I put it in warm water anyway, okay? So as the warm water is filling the sink, I'm going to be mixing with my hand the shampoo that's in there. And then if I believe I need to add some more shampoo, I'm going to add some more shampoo and continue to mix the shampoo in there to make sure that the water is sudsy so we can start the soaking of the hair, okay? Girl, now this part was a struggle because my bathroom is a little small and I'm a little tall, okay? And my sink is a little low. So it was a little struggle to get my head in the water and be comfortable sitting in my chair so that I can soak my hair. Girl, I rhymed and I wasn't even trying. Anyways, so what I did, because one of the struggles was that the back of my hair was not getting into the water. So all I did was pour the shampoo in my hand and kind of, rubbed it together in my hands and distributed throughout my hair, like as though I was shampooing my hair. So all I continued to do was to saturate my hair. Girl, that's the word you were looking for, girl. Saturate my hair with the shampoo on the back of my hair. So at least the back of my hair also had the shampoo on it, even if it couldn't get into the water as I was soaking my hair. Okay, girl, so now that I got that out the way, the other instruction from my cousin was to let your hair soak for 15 minutes. So that's exactly what I did. And the other thing I forgot to say is that when I feel like the water was getting a little cold, I added the warm water one more time, okay? Okay. And one of the things that I did, remember I told you that the back of my hair wasn't getting enough water. So if you see me, move a little bit, that's just because I'm trying to get the water on the back of my hair while the rest of my hair is soaking. Because if you want to be honest, the back of my hair wasn't really getting a lot of water, and the edges of my hair, the perimeter of my hair wasn't getting water on it. So like I said, if you see me moving, it's because I'm trying to make sure that not only the back of my hair gets the water and is soaking, but the perimeter of my hair is getting the water and is being soaked by the water, if that makes sense. So I turned my timer off because I actually had a timer to make sure that I was doing what I was supposed to do, girl, okay? So now that we're done, we're gonna try to lift our head. And girl, when water is on your head, especially locks, okay, it tends to be a little heavy. So what I'm doing is squeezing as much water as I can out so I can lift my head, okay? I know you see there's still a little product in my hair, but we're gonna deal with that in a few minutes, okay? We just want to make sure all the water is out. Of course, it's not dripping everywhere and making a whole mess, okay, girl? Because that's what we don't want, okay? Girl, now I know you see all that nastiness in that water. Girl, that's almost 3 years of buildup, girl. Even after washing my hair and conditioning my hair, after 3 years, it was that dirty. But I guess I didn't realize that, girl, your hair that used to be your roots are now a part of your hanging locks. So all that gunk is in there. It's trapped up in that thing. So of course it's gonna be some dirt. Girl, removing buildup from my hair gotta be a regular thing because this can't happen no more. So I'm gonna go back in with the Paul Mitchell shampoo too one more time to saturate the perimeters of my head, because remember what I said when I was soaking my hair? I didn't think the shampoo or the soaking of my hair got on the perimeters of my hair. So I'm just gonna go back with the shampoo and just wash my hair like regular, but really focus on the perimeters of my hair and giving the perimeters of my hair, the perimeters, girl, like it's multiple. I want to go back and give the perimeter of my head some more love. So that's all I'm doing. Then I'm going in with a conditioner, and then I'm going to go in with my shower comb and scrub the roots of my hair to make sure that I can get as much dirt out of my scalp as I possibly can. I know in another video, my wash video, that we found out that I found out, okay, excuse me, that it was a scalp massaging brush. But listen, all I know it as is a shower comb, and then we gonna keep saying it's a shower comb, okay? After that, we're gonna rinse out the conditioner, of course, like a regular, you know, shampoo and conditioner, like a regular wash day. And then we're going to put a microfiber towel on our hair, and then we're going to see the results of how much dirt really got out of my hair with using the shampoo that removes buildup. Girl, I'm back again. So let's see the results of how this shampoo really did, girl, because I don't know. Girl, I'm really looking for something to remove dirt out of locks, because listen, these locks ain't going nowhere anytime soon, okay? Girl, so the results are the buildup is still there, but I can tell that the shampoo removed most of the buildup that I've had, because I've had more buildup than what you see, okay? And at the same time, you can see certain parts are still soaked with the shampoo. So maybe it's the shampoo that I see, but I really feel like it's the dirt that I see. Now I know that with this shampoo, I may have to soak my hair for like 30 minutes, because you have to imagine almost 3 years of buildup. Soaking your hair one time is probably not going to get all of the dirt out, but it did a little bit. And that's all we care about, girl. At least it's the little bit that counts. Okay, girl? Okay? So you guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video like I did, finally finding something to remove the dirt from my locks. Thank you to the Lord for using my cousin to help me find that out, okay? So down in the comment section below, let me know what other products that you use to remove buildup, and what kind of products you use for itchy scalp, because sometimes I have an itchy scalp, okay? We want to make sure that we're making our hair better with the products that we use, okay? But as always, remember that you're flavored with favor. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.